Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide some of these reserved folders on your PC so that they don't show. So you're going to go to right click on this PC, then click on manage. Then you click on manage, you're going to click on disk management. So once you're at disk management, just wait for it to load if you have a lot of hard disks or drives. So then you're going to check the drives that you want to hide, the system reserved. The system reserved, so you just click on it. It's gonna take you to the disk itself. Then you just want to check the properties and make sure it's the right one. Then once you have made sure of that, you're gonna right click, then change device drive letters, then just click on remove. When you click on remove, it's gonna load and remove the partition. It's gonna hide it, not gonna remove it, it's just gonna hide it because it won't show any drives that are not there. So just do the same for all consecutive hard disks that you want to hide, not hard disks but partitions. And once you're done with that, you're good. So tell me if this helped. If it didn't help, tell me also. Make sure you like the video and see you in the next one.